morning everybody and Happy New Year. Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you through our beautiful January Creative Kit Club box. This is our very last box that we'll be using Kaiser Craft in, and we have saved the very best for last. We are using the gorgeous Lilly and Moss collection by Kaiser Craft. It is a beautiful collection, and let me show you what's in this kit. Okay, so of course the collectibles. There are a couple of little sweet resin frames. These are really cute. There is some Couture Creations, another great Aussie company, Glitz and Glam in like a purple, and some of the new Couture Creations ink. This is in the black, and this is kind of like the shimmery ink. I love it. There is one of our new mark making stamps. We've got a whole bunch of new stamps that we're including in our kits and releasing every month, and this is a beautiful little music texture one to make marks with. And before all of the typo police message us, there is a little mistake on the back of the packaging that China made, and they couldn't fix in time to get it into the kit. So the ones in the kit do have a little error on the back of the packaging, but it's okay, all the other ones are fixed. We just needed to get it in your kit on time, and they just made a little boo-boo and we had to go in to fix it. This is our sequins. They are very cute little pink sequins, and these are some beautiful white paper flowers. Just really nice paper flowers. This here is 2-inch, epoxy circles. They're really cute, and they actually go brilliantly with, let me sneak this out, our cut apart sheet. So the 2-inch circles actually fit over some of these larger elements, and in here somewhere there is actually some 1-inch ones as well. So 1-inch and 2-inch epoxy circles, and a die set. So this is a die set we've had manufactured. It's a 2 inches, 1.5 inches, and a 1-inch circle, which match up with all of these elements on your cut apart sheet. So you'll be able to use them over and over again, because we regularly use those circle sizes in our kits. No fancy packaging, because I just couldn't get it in under budget if I had packaging. So I thought, you know what guys, it's going in a kit, you don't need packaging. So there it is. The cut apart sheet, of course, and you can add any cut apart sheet on. These are just $1. They match all of our collections beautifully. These are awesome. These are lace paper. I don't know if you can see inside this envelope well enough, but they're beautiful, really lightweight lace envelopes. They're just lovely. Add some beautiful texture to this kit. A laser cut, which says summertime, because that's what it is here in Australia right now. It's summertime. And some bling, some Uniquely Creative pink bling. We have got the magazine, of course, with all of the gorgeous projects in the front. We've got scrapbooking in the back. We've got card making. So the magazine is in the box, and a couple of extra sheets of paper. So there's this guy, which is lovely for backgrounds, and same with this one. Oh, this one's great for titles and sayings. There is some cardstock in some beautiful pink, green and white. And of course the Kaiser Craft paper pack. Told you we saved the best Kaiser one for last. This box is jam-packed full, great value, just $49.95, and full of product for you guys to use. Let's take a look at some of the projects. Tanya Ridgewell joined us in our design team this month, and she's made some beautiful projects. And so did Nairi. So Nairi's also joined us, and that is a lovely, gorgeous layout. Now, the two dies, there are two add-on dies. Let me show you. This is one of them, and it is a gorgeous Lilly die. It's beautiful. It's called Lilly Bouquet, and I'll show you those at the end. Another one by Tanya. Love all these cute little frames in there. Another cutie. So many beautiful. This is the other die. It's a square frame die. That's those beautiful lace, paper lace elements included in your kit. Another one by Tanya. Told you it's a gorgeous collection. This is one of mine, and you can see I've used that beautiful Lilly Bouquet die as well. One of my favourite dies. I really like it. Another cutie by Nairi. And I love this guy too. Nairi's made this cute little A4 one. I love people that scrap with this size, using that die that's included in the kit. Isn't it beautiful? Really love that. Okay, so card making. Let me quickly show you the die so you understand. This is the square die. Retails for $15.80 and cuts out different size squares. So these are those beautiful, really thin square shapes on this little cute card here. So they're really effective for just layering up and dropping on your page. So that's the square die. 1580, and this is the beautiful Lilly bouquet die, and that one is 1880, and obviously the girls have used that extensively throughout all their projects. So this is not all the cards, I just don't have them all to pop in the magazine to show you at this stage. We've had Christmas break, New Year break, we've had bushfires, and postage is just way behind. Yvette did this one. Isn't that just beautiful? Really like the gorgeous colours on that one. Another little cutie. So that is all of the product included in this kit, but don't forget we're releasing our very first paper collection this month, which is this one here. It's called Wise and Free. It's a beautiful collection of papers. It's all printed on really thick cardstock. You can also pick up the creative cuts as well. And to match this collection, this was our advent kit, is the matching photopolymer stamp, couple of stencils, there's the die for the stamp, and 3 other beautiful dies, which is called You Are So Loved, and that one says Precious and Happiness, and a cute little lace one on the end. So don't forget, our gorgeous Wise and Free collection should be available in your local craft store as well as on our website. Please support your local businesses where you can to keep them open. Happy New Year, everybody. We have got so much planned for 2020. We cannot wait to share it all with you. Have a great one. Till next time. Bye.